Hey everybody, it's here's Ox Bigley. Welcome back to my little slice of the internet. And today we are taking a look at Bambox's fire sale box. This is a double go. From what is it? August. Yeah. So they issued a fire box for both their pop culture box and the horror box. So that's what we got. Now, just a bit of a warning. I did also order order the August boxes of the regular subscription pop culture box and horror box. So those will be coming soon enough. Now, for those who do not know, the fire sale boxes are basically they had extra stock of some things, and they decided to just put them in a box, sell them off at a reduced price, which is cool. I think that when these pop up, they're typically about $25. So I'm going to give you lot first look, and I don't know if there's paper. There's paper, so let me get there. It is. Okay, so it looks like that is it. Give you guys first look. I don't want nothing dropping out of here. So, all right. So, on top. Oh, cool. Okay. Something fell out of that. But first things first is this, which is awesome. I've only seen this movie once, and it broke. Part of it broke. It sucks. Anyway, this is from Kroll. There's a tooth in there for some reason. Again, I've only ever seen this once, so I really don't know what. This is like the weapon. Again, a piece of it broke off. I can probably... Ooh, isn't it made out of actual rock? That's cool. Yeah, but there's a piece of it, like, in here, and I can reattach it at some point. So, that's pretty cool. Crow was like some kind of, like, fantasy He-Man-esque adventure film. Okay. Thankfully, there is no needle in this, but I guess maybe I can use this to inject some marinades into my meats. So, I had the thing on. No wonder it's not. I forgot how physics worked. So, reanimator. Maybe I can fill this up with some glow stick juice or something. Nah, that's an idea. That's pretty cool. Reanimator syringe. There's a bunch of pens. I'm going to save that for till last. What on IO? I have no earthly clue what this is. Whatever it is, I guess you're supposed to put. It's supposed to be like this, I guess. Hanging. I'll put that out there. It's made out of like a stone material, so this looks oddly familiar, but I don't know what it is. This is a Entwined double snack pendant. This is like either from there's like I think it was a movie called Queen of the Damned. Some hot black lady who was a vampire. I think maybe that was it, or this could be from Harry Potter, which I haven't seen either one, so I don't know. So there's that. E.T. jewelry, which these are earrings, but it could be if you put the posts on the back, maybe I can really see that too well. Like little E.T.s and some kind of orange flowery bit. So, all right, what else we got? I'll get to the pins last. Okay. What's this from? Laddie Thompson. So this, when folded up, is a carnation milk carton. Oh, come on. I'm trying to fold the smegger up. There we go. So I don't know. I don't know what this is from. but it's got that on it. Again, I don't know what this is from. Santa Cruz County Sheriff's Department. Please call. There's like nothing on here other than like the carnation information. So there's that. California license plate. I do not know what this is from. If you do know, let me know. This could be what is it? Supernatural possibly, but I don't know. But this is 56, so not too sure what that is about. Okay, cool. Ace Ventura, Pet Detective, business card here to serve and protect your pets. So that's kind of cool. I should put that in my wallet. Okay, so I'm not going to be able to get to too much unless I get these out of the way first. Pins. So I have Bette Midler from the which movie? I don't know. Hocus Pocus. There we go. So there's that. It has Keanu Reeves from Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. Wild Stallions. I have Bart Simpson as Daredevil. I have Alf with what looks to be maybe Zach Morris's hat and hair. I don't know. Definitely a pop culture something. I have no idea what this is. Maybe this is in the back here. Roll Told 3. I don't know. If you know, let me know in the comments, please, because I have no clue. I have one. Actually, I have one of these on my desk here, where I'm doing this video right now, because I got it in the last one. So there's that. Shazam, Buddy the Elf. Let me see. Creep Show. That's cool. That one I'm definitely probably going to keep. Definitely probably. Let's see. Oh, this is Chucky. The calm, cute version. This is Candyman. And a leprechaun. So, oh, I already know one of the other things I'm seeing in here. So this is a signed bit of artwork from the Pet Sematary remake. So that is cool. There's a lot of artwork in here. Gordon Bennett. There is a nice bit of artwork from Hellraiser, the first Hellraiser movie, which is pretty good. Looks like watercolor, possibly. Signed Phantasm artwork. Now, I'm gonna garner some hate by this. I don't get this movie series. I don't get it. I watched the first movie and I'm like, how did this get a sequel? There's a lot of cool elements, but as far as something just like grabbing your imagination and being like, whoa, this thing's cool, there should be more to this. I don't see it. There's a lot, like I said, there's a lot of cool elements, but it's I don't see it. But anyway, Stanley Kubrick's The Shining, signed by the artist. This is really cool. A lot of these I don't really keep. This one I'm going to keep. And when you see it, you'll know why. Atom Bomb / Blasted Billy. That's pretty cool. And it's like a bunch of the stickers like on the background there, and like that's painted over somewhat translucently. Although I do like the that effect of the skin coming off. That's kind of cool. Extra item, as it says on the back, it's an extra item. This is, and no certificate of authenticity, but this is, a good ET. And I do like how the arm here is both of the hole and of the individual thing in the middle there. So that's actually really cool. I like the idea behind that. That's cool. Let me see. Thanos, I think I have this one. Actually, I have this one up here too, from a previous box. Let's see. Not making a mess. And I think it is the same one. So, yeah, I know there was a variation of this. So, put those two together. Beautiful and bad. I forgot who the... This isn't here. Jennifer Rubin, who played Tyryn, I guess. Taryn, Tyryn. Yeah, she was kind of mousy or whatever, but when she was in her dreams, she was beautiful and bad, as she said. So, yep, that was it Nightmare on Elm Street? It says right here, three Warriors. So cool. Oh, more. Who's this? From Nightmare on Elm Street 3 and 4. Rodney Eastman, who played Joey. I don't remember which. I guess he was. I guess that was Joey. So I do like how they have Robert Englund busting through the door right there. It's pretty cool. All right, getting down to the bottom of the box soon enough here. This is. Oh my goodness, what's this? Supergirl. I don't watch much TV, let alone DC stuff. So I don't have TV. This looks like, let me see, played Eyeball Chambers in Stand By Me. Have not seen this movie. And I have a good reason behind that because I saw it playing on TV one time and they got to the pie eating contest scene. I'm not a fan of that kind of stuff. It put me off. Didn't finish watching it. I will eventually probably get to it to finish watching it. What? Oh, this is certificate of authenticity came from production of Chappie. Oh, this is like a prop. I don't know if this is a prop replica or an actual prop. This is numbered 1047 of I don't know how. So there's the certificate. I don't know how well. I've never seen this movie either. So this must be like a, I don't know, like a checklist or something like that. Condition report of the robot. That's pretty cool. And to match up with the milk box, the milk carton, an Eggo box. 11. I've seen this before. This is actually kind of cool. Manufactured by Brenner Frozen Foods Corporation, a Papa company, Hawkins, Indiana, USA. 1983, Dr. Brenner's, Frozen Foods Company, Papa Company. That's some references. Best stored upside down. So dumb. What else is on here? Directions for best results: allow waffles to thaw slightly before toasting. Preheat toaster. Brown waffles in toaster to set to light or low heat. So serve on warm plate. You gotta warm the plate first? That's kind of weak. With warm syrup and butter. Several waffles. Preheat oven to 400, 450. Place best results: supervised toasting. Attend toaster while heating. An adult should supervise heating by children. I thought it said heating of children because you need supervision for that too. Cut out and keep 11's drawing. I'm sure that's probably a reference. I haven't seen like the first season in quite a bit. So directions for best results: allow waffles to thaw. So yeah, it's the same thing. So I mean, that's pretty funny. I don't know. I wish there was like a certificate of authenticity for this because it's pretty cool. So let's see if it even comes with little glue bits. Oh, this is cool. I gotta find something to put in here so it keeps the shape. But let's see if I can fudge it real quick. Oh, come on, you turd. This is a pretty cool box. I got some cool stuff. I don't know what the milk carton's from. I gotta look that up. I gotta go on to Bandbox's Facebook thing later because all these were dropped yesterday for the most part. So everybody got something different. So it's doubtful it's going to be spoilers for anybody. I didn't look at it in case some people. I did get some of the things that other people got, so yeah, I didn't want to spoil it for myself. So yeah, there you go. I'm only doing one side of it, but it's pretty neat. Yeah, with the crap, I'll do the other side too. I kind of want to cut like a little latch in there so I can hook this in proper, but what the crap, I'll put it together. Come on. Anyway, as you may well already know, Bandbox is a subscription service who curates this kind of cool, one-of-a-kind, geeky, nerdy things every month. And the business model is such that I had it upside down. That they curate these things from the corners of the internet, and come on, it's the kind of stuff. I mean, you see what's here. There's artwork. There's prop replicas, actual prop replicas. Whatever the crud these are supposed to be, I don't know. Someone, I gotta take pictures of this stuff and put it on their the Facebook thing and find out what it is. Prop replicas. I think is really cool. And by the way, I had good news this week. Loot Crate's dead. So yeah, for those of you who were suffering through the crap of Loot Crate, I highly suggest going over to thebandbox.com, signing up. I believe it's like $30-something a month, which is a really good price, considering that you get a lot of one of a kind items. There's something from a previous box, a Jurassic Park Visitor's Pass. I've gotten nothing over here is actually from it, but I gotten some really cool things from them before. I have an Ecto 1A, sorry, license plate on my wall here. I got various other bits and pieces strewn about, but I've the amount of stuff that I got is really, really cool. So with that said, tell me what you thought of this lot. If there was something in here you thought was really extra special cool, then by all means let me know. I gotta move all this so I can turn the camera off. A lot of freaking pins. Probably I'm not going to keep those. I'll probably try to trade some. Maybe for some Jason ones I missed over the years. Months, whatever. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time for the August horror and pop boxes. I will be doing those as separate videos, but that's when you'll see me next. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.